Hello Aquarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for Aquarius June 21st to June the 23rd, no? So Aquarius, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So, kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. No? So, Aquarius, nagla-live din po tayo doon. So, kung gusto niyo pong sumali, nandun po yun sa kabilang channel. Aquarius, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So, you may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours, no? So magsimula na tayo. Aquarius. So ang nakikita ko dito, Aquarius, is parang sabihin natin na nandito ka na sa part na lenient ka na, no? Kumbaga, okay na. Magkita, hindi, I'm fine with it, no? Ayan. So parang matapang na si Aquarius ngayon. Nandito ka, di pa nagkita, goods, no? Pag hindi, okay lang din naman, no? Kumbaga, hindi na siya ganun na aalarma, hindi na siya ganun na wiwindang, no? I think that you've gone to go with the flow na parang sinasabi mo is you're surrendering, no? Surrendering because of kung saan tayo dadalhin, no, ng destiny, kung saan tayo dadalhin ng tadhana, no? I'm okay with it. Even, no, kung tayo magkakatuluyan, di maganda. If not, it's also fine, no? So, merong acceptance, nandito ka sa full acceptance that the connection might be might gonna be a success or might gonna be a failure, no? I think that there is distance between you and your person. Distance, so that is the person might be in a different barangay, different barrio, city, state, country, county, no? Different continent, ayan, so baka may OFW, no? With the Queen of Cups, the Lovers, and the Ten of Pentacles. So parang sa'yo, no, nagawa mo naman na itong best mo, no? I have given or invested my time, energy, effort, money. And I also believe that I have been a good partner to my person. I've shown my person the wholeness of me, no? Wala akong sinayang na sandali. Wala akong pinagdamot na time. Todo buhos, no? Even when it comes to konti lang tulog ko, I'm making sure na nandun pa rin ako, no? Especially nung kami pa, kung magkasama pa kami, no? I'm also seeing here that ganun ka kakampante kasi you know it in your heart na you and your person are made for each other. You and your person are destined, no, for each other to be together, no? Time for you is sometimes nakakainip, but time for you, you know, someday, maybe sooner, maybe later, magsasama uli kami ni person, no? With the Justice and the Nine of Cups, it felt like there's something here. I think that's one of your manifestation, for your person to come back, you know, for you to also feel the abundance, the comfort, for you to also be able to work, normally again. It felt like meron lang nag-iba, no, when it comes to your current situation. But it felt like, mababago din naman to. Babalik kami sa dati, no? With the Two of Swords, the Three of Swords. Siyempre, nasaktan tayo nung nagkaroon ng separations, no? I'm also seeing energetic separation. Energetic separation, probably nagkikita kayo pero hindi kayo nag-uusap or hindi na ganun yung pag-uusap before, no? Um, why do I am hearing the song Always Be My Baby, no? Parang you're letting go of someone because katulad nga nung sa kanta, in a matter of time, you're going to come back to me, no? With the Two of Swords, the King of Cups, and the Knight of Pentacles. So what I am seeing in here is more of nandito kayo sa situation na parang sinasabi nyo na I am I'm loving the person from afar. No, mahal kita pero hindi na ako masyadong nag-engage. Ayoko ring ipakita na I am weakened, no, by our separation. I feel like either this is innate na parang pinapakita mo sa kanya na I'm really okay or you're trying to be okay. But what matters most is that you're moving on and you are actually doing great as of the moment. With the King of Pentacles and the Knight of Cups. So parang sa'yo, you're focusing on yourself, you're focusing on your finances. Hindi ka na rin katulad dati na pabigla-bigla ang desisyon. I think that you've grown maturely. And I think that this is also kudos to your person, no? Your person actually probably teached you well. I am seeing here that there is some good news, and one of those good news is staying. One of those good news is no longer being in separation with your person. I am seeing reconciliation, apologies. I'm also seeing here yung kumbaga pagpapakumbaba, no? Whether it is you, whether it is your person, union is what I am seeing. Learnings, things have been said and done. The most important part of your journey as of the moment is the maturity, loving yourself, and believing or having faith, in your manifestation of you and your person are still going to be back together. No? So this is your reading, Aquarius. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Leo, Taurus, Sagittarius, Pisces, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Libra, Gemini. So, Aquarius, this is your reading. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, hit the notification bell, at kung gusto niyo po sumali sa ating live sessions, nasa kabilang channel po yun, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ayan. So, Aquarius, kung gusto niyo sumali sa live sessions, by all means, no, you're very much welcome. Pwede rin po kayong magtanong dito sa YouTube, no? As long as the question is answerable by yes or no, by all means, sasagutin po natin yan. And Aquarius. Kung feeling nyo hindi po kayo masasatisfy, no, sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po ng video na ito, no, merong link. Either you have to copy the link or click the link. You're gonna be routed to my page or website, no? Nandun po yung information on how to ask questions, the modes of payments, how much is it, and we have a promotion of 4 questions plus 1, so that's already a discounted price. And if you also want to avail our private reading, nandun po yan sa kabila. So love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye po, Aquarius.
You want the best of my heart, you just